The Battle of Thermopylae. Greece's Battle of Thermopylae is one of the most famous and heroic events in ancient history. It took place in 480 BCE, during the Greco-Persian Wars, at a narrow mountain pass called Thermopylae, which means a hot gates, located in Greece. At this time, the mighty Persian Empire, ruled by King Xerxes I, launched a massive invasion of Greece. Xerxes commanded an army that ancient sources describe as numbering in the hundreds of thousands. Facing this enormous force was a much smaller Greek alliance led by King Leonidas of Sparta, with around 7,000 Greek soldiers, including the legendary 300 Spartan warriors. Thermopylae was chosen strategically. The narrow pass limited the Persian army's ability to use its superior numbers. For several days, the Greek forces held their ground. The Spartans, trained from childhood for warfare, fought with discipline and courage, using their heavy shields and spears to block wave after wave of Persian attacks. The Persians suffered heavy losses, while the Greeks stood firm. However, the course of the battle changed when a Greek traitor named Defiance revealed a secret mountain path to the Persians. This path allowed Xerxes' forces to surround the Greek army from behind. Realizing defeat was inevitable, King Leonidas made a heroic decision. He ordered most of the Greek forces to retreat, while he stayed behind with his 300 Spartans, along with 700 Thespians and 400 Thebans, to delay the Persian advance. They fought to the last man, sacrificing their lives for Greece. Although the Persians won the battle, Thermopylae became a powerful symbol of bravery, sacrifice, and resistance against overwhelming odds. The delay allowed Greek cities to prepare their defenses, leading to later victories at Salamis and Plataea, which ultimately saved Greek civilization. The Battle of Thermopylae remains remembered not as a defeat, but as a timeless example of courage and honor in the face of impossible odds.